Hello, Nevlin second graders. The people viewing this video should be the group that comes right after lunch each day. So the 1 o'clock to 1:30, there are 3 of you in that group from Mrs. Mickelson and Mrs. Lunning's class. The book that we are going to read today is called All About Redwood Trees. It's the next book that we would have read if we were in class. It is at your easier level, and it is a nonfiction book talking about redwood trees. And as you can see from the title page here, this first picture, these are trees that are extremely tall. They are found in California in the redwood forests, and we're going to learn some interesting facts about these trees. So this is called All About Redwood Trees. Tall trees. Redwood trees are very tall. The trees are taller than a house. They are taller than most buildings. They are the tallest trees of all. These captions here are showing a redwood tree, a 10-story building, and a 2-story house. And as you can see, the redwood tree is much, much taller than even a 10-story building. Why do redwood trees grow so tall? They grow as long as they live, and they live a very long time. Redwood trees can live 2,000 years. So the interesting thing about redwood trees is that they never stop growing. So if you lived to be 2,000 and you kept growing, you can just imagine how tall you would end up being. Where redwood trees grow? Redwood trees grow by the sea. The weather there is just right for them. It is not too cold or too hot. There is a lot of rain and fog by the sea. Redwood trees grow well in rain and fog. So as you can see on this map of the United States here, redwood trees are mostly found in California along the coast and a little bit into Oregon. Redwood trees obviously wouldn't do well in Minnesota because we have our cold winters and we don't have the rain and fog that these trees need. Bark and seeds. Redwood trees have thick bark. Bugs do not like redwood bark. It has a bad taste. The thick bark helps protect the trees from fire too. So another reason that these trees are able to survive for as long as 2,000 years is because of their thick bark, bad taste, and the fact that they can protect themselves from bugs and insects and also fire. Redwood trees are very big, but redwood seeds are small. A redwood seed is as small as a tomato seed. You can see some of these labels here. These are the cones that come off of a redwood tree, and these would be the seeds that are inside that cone. Here is an example of a tomato, and you can see there how tiny those seeds actually are, which is amazing for how big the tree actually becomes. Saving redwood trees. This redwood tree has a big hole for cars to drive through. People do not cut holes in redwood trees today, but this tree is still fun to see. So if you were to go to California in the redwood forest, you would be able to experience driving through this redwood tree. I have never done it, but I heard it's pretty cool. Today, people want to save old redwood trees, and they want new redwood trees to grow and grow for many years. Fun facts. Redwood trees are named for the color of their wood. The bark on a redwood tree is 6 to 12 inches thick. New redwood trees can grow from the stump of an old redwood tree. And then here we are labeling the new tree growth, and then this is the old stump that the new tree is growing from. What I would ask you to do now is to watch the video again, but turn off the sound, and I would like for you to read the book to yourself or to someone at home. And then tomorrow we will write about some of the things that we learned about redwood trees. Thank you.